Hello, hello. Oh, today I'm going to cook. This is my first time to cook this. This is my first time to cook cabbage Thomas. I don't know if I'm saying the name correctly. Here I have vegetable oil, my cabbage, cleaned rice, and bulgur, beef mince. That's the onion, small onions. It's a meal for two. That's for two. Tomato paste, dried mint leaves, cumin, red pepper, turmeric, and salt. I'm preparing for two, and this is my first time. I trust I'm going to do it very perfect. It's going to be something we are going to enjoy. This is one of the Turkish dishes I like so much. My mother-in-law used to cook it. She used to prepare it for us, but I wasn't paying so much attention, so I decided to try it today. It's a surprise for my husband. I hope he's going to enjoy it. So what you do, I will take off lahana leaves and put them in boiling water just for some minutes. I mustn't overcook the leaves. I'll be showing all the process. I'm not used. In Zimbabwe, we never cook. I never cook it like that. In Zimbabwe, I have another way of cooking cabbage, not this one I'm doing today. This is my first time. And I first tasted this dish here in Turkey. Now we have to mix all the ingredients in this bowl. I did cut my onions. We'll mix in this bowl. Here is the meat. I really love these palm leaf plates. I like them so much. I put in the rice and bulgur. Remember, first you have to clean it. You clean rice and bulgur. Seems I'm going to have so much of this. And you put the spices. You can use spices of your choice. But we don't usually use so many spices, so I'm using what I have. I think the rice is a little bit more. I have to add more meat here. Tomato paste, I'm going to use it later. So add some fish oil, some vegetable oil. Not much. Okay, these are my cabbage leaves now in the pot. I'll wait for at least 6 minutes so they will not overcook. Then I'll take them out. These are the cabbage leaves. Okay, these are my these are my cooked leaves. See, they are now soft. These are the first 4. So I'm going to put my filling and raw. I did add some lemon salt in boiling water. I thought in case the filling don't have enough salt, at least the leaves will have some salt. Now let me put the filling and make the rolls. Okay, this is how I make the roll. See, like this. Then you roll up to these ones. And I'm having these ones. That's how I'm making the rolls. Okay, now we are putting the rolls in the pot. On the bottom, I put the cabbage hard steam so that the rolls will not stick in the pot. I'm using the same pot I was boiling water as the pot I'm using. I'm going to make sauce. Now I'm heating tomato paste in hot vegetable oil. You can use oil of your choice, your favorite oil as well. You can use oil of your choice. I'm using vegetable oil because that is what is available. Oh, now my sauce is ready. I can pour now in the pot with the wraps. Okay, now pour the sauce in the pot. Now add some more water, just a little bit water, not that much. Some water and cover. Let it boil for. I will let it cook for almost 1 hour, or until I smell that it smells delicious. Smells tells it's ready.